for you that wants to say a brainy now when you so Xposed media. I am for Ashanti and I'm just make sure that one subscribe or best subscribe to channel no. Then you will me a notification bell on send it just to be a bedroom once account dear. I feel trim 2022 Asantewaa means in the eba out. I just only a ram. I ram Yolo, no baby mama. Once in the bar out, she say, or the Nisika Pudu be a man sanka, or new building construction be Manchester. One see dying and mano, Mansubisi and then Sa Anka diamond and Sanso Ank in Sikano. And same way my stories be brave by a man same way a good G court, a good PA, or ports, just say. Oma a ram the time sanka on Suya Sikano, which is February and a deadline is sanka ultimately Sikano, Emma Asantewaa. So we see a 4 years February, April, batches say you April moon. I to Sikano Asantewaa and Sa Enkai, way a man no be a video bit to one matches. Ninsem church or patcher say, a ram radio or sha Sikano Yadia obey the obit your chest, only be crowd or the bayman, who to crowd only be out of the bayman. Into your own dear, so far as what sees. On Yari, and what's on a dear, or Wadini, Nancy Canadian, or train Abrams, so or the Bemanu, say on farmer, no, or dear, or one of ancient. I will see a form my video, no, Embra.
You are not going to allow someone to get hold of your money, because this modern Ghana, if someone gets hold of your money, the person will even tell someone will fraud you, and the person will tell you, take me to the police station, take me to the court, and then if I for no mabano, they will even tell you. After scamming, they'll because they know that once you are taking the person to the court will by all means, they will tell you, take me to the court. Take me. If I do see can you only be other vending. My gentleman farmer when they go to me. She doesn't have, they don't have. So the only thing you are learning from my situation and is say you will not let anybody get hold of your money. That's it. Papa Ameva, what do I say? Don't even make your money available. Don't make your money available for anybody. Oh, don't get angry. I know it hurts. Even you cry, that you are not me. See the way you are so hurt. But if when you fall back at the money, and you protect what is left. I still have my life, so I protect my life. I still have a lot of things to take care of. I will not let these things, take me away. There's more life. They were worrying, and I was say, some I didn't die there. I survived it. There are so many people that are going through worse things that I went through. And tomorrow, I can use my situation as an experience to strengthen someone else. But the only thing I kept hating on is the fact that she slided in my DM. I never knew her house, but she was always in my house. So who was trying to reap from who? Mimi to me baby. I say me see Mimi to me baby. Oh me now say na me time or not me. I don't know yourself. Me I did my somewhere way you be you way. Say a hawker can my casa. Me to me baby. Oh so me time. Oh maybe I time I just whoa. Yeah now I maybe time. Like, because have you read the part in the Bible that indicates the part that Job was ripped off of everything? Like, he lost literally everything, Bibia. For the part where you are saying that I'm using the money to check that one there, you can't plant contumely and plan to go and reap beans. Whatever you sow in this life, you will reap it. So it is God. I can't deal with her. Onibi, she doesn't have. So does that mean my life is going to be stacked? I'll move on in life. She doesn't have. Truth be told, she doesn't have. She no get. So what you have to do? Me. I don't have any supernatural powers to go and let her vomit the money. Like, she doesn't have. So like I said, you just make sure nobody will come and take your money. You don't give your money to anybody. But God is definitely going to restore me, and that is what matters most.
I will see a 4 video ya Asantewaa edebet way and see why osan ebe ye post pictures and fan bi ebe comment here say na adenti and professionals be brave wo hono we ntimi amfa ejuma we anhwe mo sase omonya ma na che say odi akoma obi foforo a che so onim so ono no onye professional but just say say oye ma na down for trusting in or say onye ejuma we man na obeye bibi sa kwamfa on farmer or more money die e wo ho I'll make sure say obi nya me papers to say evidence e just say or ye bibi sa ye den ama no ansana we e ma Asantewaa so e be reply ye e wo post no so say or say I wasn't ready to do any project, so my love. Madam forced me. I had a lot of wise people around me, so I could have reached out to them. Madam planned everything before sliding into my DM. You back, just say, Asantewaa same church, I say, Madam, you want to slide into the DM. Or no, I'll buy just say, I said, I was shaving off for sale, or say, on your day, on bra, no, on bambe, a sidine, because Asantewaa not so one, no, on your nadrin, say, oh, say, a dice, a yard pa. One no nye na dream say obesi and be sisi aba ase eyura no de no ho ba ya just say o just say o betimi aboa no ni mo bi a obeden obeboa na amana yi no no so ye na just say sadia obeye nenso ebusuafo no kwenya me ni besi ene Asantewaa no just say aha ne ye pa ba obeye ne den ontimi nya mo hwe ni because o de akoport amasem no port nso amane da so da no I dey nim say etwem so eyura mo onye den onka hwe we am an fan baako Asantewaa fan baako so san e ba me e kire na adwen say e de nti e na onye de omma omu onye de enkoji sika no e wo eyiram ho e na ono so e be reply ye e wo in same way mo say or say she doesn't have any money my dear. I just wanted you guys to know that she was all over me in my DM in the first place to enter into my life. So you people should ignore the fact that she's saying people want her downfall. As for the money, I always wake up to see free money nowadays. I still have life, and that's what matters to me most. God is doing the most in my life. I feel God used her to open my eyes. They say Asantewaa just say in some way e be in the pie, a man just say any under was shining the eyes in him. Je all candy na nem sama all candy na so e kwa say eyiram sika no onya ma no. Just say na mo ka say mo nye de omo koji sika no onya ayama no otwi ne mu tan kura na huti kura onya mo oni ne kunu na mo ko omo go kura mo sika no nya dia obenya amom enti nkrofo enye de omo yi omo adwen free so say omo asan eyiram no ka say amanfo pen down for na enye sa ba just say ono eyiram nya dia obenya sika no e de ama Asantewaa no ono no de just otiasi de or that's what matters to me. Sorry, to him most. In Sisi ano de adofo person me fa mo ensi hase. Make sure say we ja wo comments afa asem we me say comments ne de ebeba pii esanse in same way no obi kwa kwa akoka say on tiansi od ne be fa baby na chese weti be nya sika pa ko sika no enye sika keto 300,000 billion ebusuafo e na ye ka ho asem. Make sure say we ja wo comment or comment section wa mama me ma already if you subscribe to channel no then ne ma pepe bi ya me de baby awon so on sanke makram